I'm Dr. Mohua. Hi, I'm starting again the game theory as I have just finished the dominant strategy equilibrium. Now we are going to the next phase, which is called the Nash equilibrium strategy, in which it is not like that whatever you do I am doing the best, but it is just the other way. Whatever your best I think then. So I'll be first considering my rival's choice and then I will be settling down where I need to, and out of the best solution of the rival I will find out the best of mine. So now this is the Nash equilibrium strategy, because practically the dominant strategy equilibrium, we very scarcely we come up with this kind of solution in which both the rivals and the firms are settling down with a common strategy and both of them are ignoring each other and they are coming up into a steady situation. It doesn't happen. So that's why a Nash equilibrium, which is also called to be a Cournot equilibrium, is also connected to be a Nash equilibrium, and that one we will be doing in the next part of the class, that why Cournot equilibrium is also connected to the Nash equilibrium. So first of all, let us first of all understand what is Nash equilibrium. So now when we talk about the Nash equilibrium, as I was telling, I am doing the best I can given what you are doing, and you are doing the best you can given what I am doing. This is the main definition of the, or this is the main idea behind the Nash equilibrium. Whatever I am doing, considering what is the best of yours, and whatever you are doing, it is the best considering what is best of mine. So Nash equilibrium is, that's why it's based upon this main structure. Now if we consider again this in the this table, the same table, slightly with a change in 20. This one earlier it was 10, now I made it 20 for the no advertisement, for both party no advertisement. Now in this strategy, if you find there is no dominant strategy coming up, fine. So we are getting a two different strategy to be an equilibrium, and for one it is advertisement, for one it is no advertisement. So in this kind of solution it is very difficult to get into an equilibrium, because generally it never happens that both of the party coinciding and then settling down with a one common solution. So that's why generally it comes up with this kind of confusive situation. Now then what to do? So in this case, if you want to find out what is the Nash equilibrium of the firm A, then what the firm A will be doing, firm A will be taking out the firm B's best situation. So if we find out the firm B's best situation with the advertisement and without advertisement, we find that it is getting with the 5, these are the situation 5, 8, 0, 2. Out of them, these are the best and this is the next best. Okay? So then it is without advertisement, without advertisement for A and with advertisement for B, and in this with both the party advertising. Now out of this 8 and 5, we find that we understood that these are the two best situation for the best and the next best situation of the firm B. Now the firm A will be deciding based upon these two outcome which is the best for him. So out of this two, considering this two outcome, the corresponding A's outcome is 10 and 6. So out of this 10 and 6, for firm A the best is 10. So that is with advertisement. So now that's why for the firm A the Nash equilibrium is with advertisement. So in this point we are coming up with the 10 considering the opponent's best solution, and then considering best solution what is the best of mine, and out of this two outcome which is the best of mine. So this is the way which we in the Nash equilibrium we go. I am doing the best I can given what you are doing. Here the question of given comes. Why it is said given? So here we come up with the Nash equilibrium and the Cournot equilibrium correlation. I hope you remember when we were doing Cournot equilibrium, we were working with an assumptions of the Cournot equilibrium which makes the model very restricted. The Cournot model is based on the assumption that the firm never learns from the previous experience. It behaves naive. It is called the naive behavior. It doesn't learn from the previous experience and it considers that its rivals will remain, and whatever his action he has done, considering the reaction of its rival, the rival will not change again when I take an action. This is a naive behavior of the firm. that it doesn't learn from the previous experiences. It goes on doing its same fault repeatedly. It considers that this time it has reacted, but the next time it will not react. And considering that it will not react in the future, it takes that the present reaction of the firm as given. So that's why the Nash equilibrium is also based upon this Cournot equilibrium solution. So that's what I wanted to do with the Nash equilibrium and the Cournot equilibrium solutions, correlations, and in the next class we will be trying to do with the prisoner's dilemma. Thank you.